What if I told you you might never have to deal with vague feedback ever again? Sounds crazy, right? Because it kind of just comes with a job. We've all heard make it pop. Can you add pizzazz? I don't like this.
Be honest with yourself. Would it pass a clarity test?
If you asked our Discord community, the answer would be hell no. Like, look at this piece of feedback that someone recently got. That is insane. Here's the workflow for fixing it. Let's dive in. For this, we're going to use the Atarim Calm extension, and Atarim is great for getting point and click visual feedback right on your designs from your team or your client. You can also leverage an AI team to review your pages for things like SEO or accessibility, but we're going to use my favorite tool, the feedback translator. I'm going to pretend I'm the nightmare design client, and I'm going to say make it pop because that's the classic. Clara's going to translate it for us and turn it into something actionable. So let's give it just a second. Yeah, look how freaking cool that is. He's suggesting we can highlight it, we can increase the size, or do a subtle animation. Let's pick this one. Let's try another one and say, let's add some pizzazz. I've gotten that one in the past. And by the way, if this feedback passes the clarity test, a green light bulb will appear letting your client know it's good to go. But yeah, look at these options. Add an animated entrance, add a decorative exit, or a hover animation. I think that translated it really well. I like these. Afterwards, this task is going to go to the inbox for the additional clarity. There's going to be an automatic screenshot. It's going to list the screen size, the browser information, and there's going to be a button to go right back to the task when you need to. I'm going to kind of miss these make it pop emails, but your workflow is going to be so much faster. Let me know in the comments what the funniest piece of design feedback is you've ever gotten. Hopefully it's not as bad as what people were saying in our Discord community. I'd love to have a good laugh and feature it in an upcoming video. If you want to learn more about the AI team and how they can give you strategic direction and review your work, I'm going to leave a video down below because it's really freaking cool. My name is Zachary and I'll catch you in the next one.